Hi, my name is Meagan Redmon. I interned at Wrapsody in downtown Auburn. I interned at the web store, but I also worked as a key holder on the sales floor. My duties changed day to day. For web, I prepped items off the sales floor to be put on the web store, and I oversaw daily activities on the floor by talking to my managers about what needs to get done and delegating those tasks to the sales associates. I secured this position as I have worked at Wrapsody for almost 2 years now, and so when I needed an internship, my district manager offered me it and I accepted. The important things I learned through this internship is to take things day by day and to look at the big picture, but do not let it stress you out. Hard work is seen, even if nothing is said, it is appreciated, and jumping at new opportunities is the best way to learn in this industry. Thank you.